What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today, something very cool from a company you may or may not have heard of called DeWALT. Why do we like DeWALT, Eric? Pro brand.
Professional stuff. I'm glad you asked a question and answer it yourself. That's pretty cool. I like that.
Well, you know, you're so joyful to be here today.
Oh my god, dude, this is the best day of my life. What are you talking about?
I know. It is the best day of your life because the new DeWALT Inflator's out.
It is.
You're actually the Inflator king, so I want to hear your views.
I love them. I use them all the time, as goofy as it sounds, but I use them for the tires in the car because I can't get the car to the garage. I use it for, I've got two kids, so we're using it always for rafts, we're using it for the balls, like basketballs, footballs, soccers, all sorts of things. And I gotta tell you, they're awesome. I love how convenient they are and portable they are. This one's cool. This is the first time I've actually seen the DeWALT one was today when we used it.
What'd you think?
Actually, I like it. You know, my favorite thing about it, honestly, is right here, the connection to the stem. This actually, you alright?
No, I was gonna grab a flexible battery because I want to see if a flexible will fit on the bottom. I don't think so.
Let's give it a shot.
I mean, I know it'll fit, but yeah. Oh, okay.
No, it still sits.
Yeah.
You know.
Alright, so yeah, you can put flexible, bigger batteries on them, but it just sits on the battery. But man, you put this 9.0 flexible on there,
you're gonna get a lot of runtime.
No,
but this is cool. I mean, I like the portability of it because sometimes we've taken the vent track out when we've taken it to Bodie's and we're like, oh man, we don't have air in the tires, or we forgot to check it. Boom, we can do it right there. My favorite feature of, well, there's a lot of favorite features, but I love how it has this where it can lock onto the stem. You can screw it on the stem, you don't have to worry about it. Other ones have that where you push it and you flip it.
Yeah, I do like that one too.
This is nice.
Although I always feel when you're done, you know, and you take it off, there's always that little air leakage. Like, oh man, was that a couple pounds I lost?
I always just go like, if it's 35, I always just go up to 36 or something. But speaking of setting the PSI, I love this dial switch. It's the first time I've ever seen that.
Yeah,
so that's cool.
It also has a progress indicator, you guys, so it'll show you exactly how much progress you are filling up the tire.
Yep.
And it goes up to, what was it? It's 160 PSI you'll be able to do. So you have to be careful with something like this because even though it's kind of smart, you put this on a bicycle tire, you put it at 160 PSI, chances are it's going to blow up in your face. Have you ever had one blow up?
Not in my face, but I've had it where we fill it up and then you leave it out, when we're kids, you leave it out in the sun on the asphalt. And yeah, it popped.
Oh man, my dad had a gas station and I was working on a bike and I was like filling up the tire, dude.
Yeah.
And it went boom! It smacked me in the legs.
Oh man, did
dude,
it hurt?
It hurts.
Yeah,
it hurts so bad. I mean, just be careful, you guys. These can be dangerous.
Yeah.
Like Eric said, it's a cool unit. The only thing I don't like is these three accessories on the side here. They're definitely gonna get lost. There's a door here that holds the power cord, so you can also go 12 volt. So I would like to see that door on the other side just to have, I mean, don't you think you're gonna lose those? Look at that middle one.
I don't know, like mine, like I've got the Ryobi and the Milwaukee one, and those are actually on board where they're accessible like that also, and I haven't lost them, but I do get what you're saying. I think they're in there pretty good, but yeah, it would be nice to have a door on there.
Yeah, and then you can just inflate and deflate right on the side here, you guys. Other than that, I mean, I think it's pretty spot on. I mean, you know,
it's got a little LED light too on there.
It's a little bigger than some comparative brands, but I think that
yeah, I mean, I don't know, it's nice.
Where's that LED light?
Right here.
Oh.
So you hit the light, and then you go.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's $99 at the Home Depot right now, so it's definitely worth that with a 1.5 amp hour battery, I believe.
If you got kids at all, even if you don't have kids, I think it's well worth it. I mean, again, I use mine all the time, mostly just for the kids.
Right.
Because there's
boat. If you got a boat, tubing, you know what we're talking about.
There you go, right there.
What's the worst thing you have to do is go to the marina and say, hey, can you fill this up? Because they're busy, they're filling up with gas, and they can't get, you know, they don't have time for you. So this thing, it's like, boom, you're ready to go. You're out on the water. It's awesome stuff, you guys. Awesome stuff. Unless you're in Chicago, then you're frozen like we are.
Yeah.
But we have heat now, so it's good.
Oh, actually, that's nice, man. I like that.
It is. This is the first time we've shot not frozen.
No, but last week we did too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright.
Second time. You
guys, comment below. We want to know what you guys think about this DeWALT air compressor. Your likes, dislikes with it, let us know.
Yeah, the one thing I was going to say, don't expect that it doesn't fill it up as fast as a compressor. You know, it's not going to be as fast as a compressor when you're filling up the tire.
Right.
So,
'Cause
just
there's-
one thing to
there's
know.
no tank.
Because I've heard some people say, "Oh, it stinks. I'll just use my compressor." They're two different types of
Yeah, but with a
tools.
compressor too, you can't just dial in 35 psi and walk away and it comes back done.
Yeah.
So it is awesome. Tools in action.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.